see, any incident occurs here in our waters, inquiry is been done. Okay, the incident has to be actually examined, and whatever is the fault or whatever is the finding, we need to make an incident report about this. Okay, so already we have put one of our competent surveyor along with our technical superintendent to investigate into it, and they will give me the report. Preliminary report they have already made, and they have given it to me. And further, for this, I just want to just tell you, this boat was kept in one private jetty. Okay, it was parked there, no activities was happening on that. So it was just lying there without any, even the machinery was off. But there is a speculation that in the morning hours, could be some short circuit, maybe the battery was connected or something like that. One spark maybe must have generated. That is one speculation, okay, which could have led to this fire. Okay, and other speculation, maybe some spark, a cigarette butt or something, which is most unlikely or likely, I don't know. Okay, but the third and all is another speculation, which could be some criminal activity, which I myself don't know, that the police have to investigate, they investigate in this matter. Okay, our preliminary report is already been done, and the final report, my surveyor is already gone there to check and give me the final report. So this investigation is on as of now. Okay, so but one thing I just want to tell is regarding that is incident. Okay, the incident, about the wrong thing of our staff, our boat reaching there very late is all wrong. We got a call at around exactly 5:23, and within 13 minutes, 13 minutes, our tug along with the master who was Gilbert, very competent people, and the whole staff which is there kept 24 hours. This has been there to handle emergencies throughout the year. So that speculation, whatever was said, like there is no staff in it is not like that. Okay, so these things please take it out, because if our staff is not there, then within 13 minutes, why our tug will reach over there? So please take out this thing. Don't put any wrong thing in the minds of the public. Other thing is, see now, our staff, the master of that, instead of commending him, giving him, encouraging him, and we should not criticize them. We should not demoralize them. They are working. They are not like a proper firefighters. They are the masters. Okay, they will do what is best. In this river is not like our land, where you take a car and you can position anywhere and everywhere. Here there is lot of things, issues are there. It was a low tide. There was a lot of current going. So the vessel itself, which was drifting, broke off because the rope melting, broke off. Our vessels have to come in. I cannot tell my tug to go and touch this vessel, and because it's already on fire. There is no people on board on that vessel. So I don't want my boys to be unsafe, and this is normal. Okay, so they tried with the fire, with the FIFI fire system, our system which is there on the tug. Okay, so there was something, the filter got choked up, and we lost that suction. So that is, so what our master did, he properly guided the vessel to the bank, and my technical superintendent is coordinating with them from the bank along with the firefighters. So they brought the vessel right up to the bank, where the firefighters will go with their tank and with their hoses, and they douse the fire. So here I'm telling you only one thing: please appreciate the work that my staff is doing on board the vessel. Okay, they have whatever is their capabilities, they will do. Go ahead and do this thing. Okay, and it is not a big this thing to just demoralize them. Please, okay, don't demoralize my staff. And they are good. They will work, and they are following the instructions. So this is what is. And now inquiry, we will do the inquiry. Police have to see whether there was any criminal activity happened here. Okay, so that this report they have to, and we are also in touch with the police. They want us. They want the whole our crew who are there on board the vessel. So that all information we will go ahead with that.
सर अनेक प्रश्न म्हणतात ते उलयताले ते म्हणल्यार बोटीचो उदकाचो प्रेशर सामको लो आशिल्लो तो लो दवरून
no. Okay, so see, this is a FIFI system. We have a separate pump for that. Okay, which is engine driven. So initially, it has to be, you start at a lower this thing. Then finally the pressure was up. So what happened? There was some small obstruction in the flow. Okay, so that's why there was some leakage in the pump, in the pump casing or something like that. Okay, I will just check because it's been under investigation. Our marine sleeping in charge, he will investigate and he will give me the report. We have one marine sleeping in charge who has to look after all this machinery, okay, and has to ensure that all the tugs, all the boats are in working condition. So he will give me the report, and every week these things has been tried out. So here there was a little this thing, but for that immediately we brought that vessel to alongside on the other bank where the fire extinguishers, firefighters came and extinguished the fire. So that also we have taken care into consideration.
So tugboat